The legal frameworks for self-driving cars. Introduction. Autonomous vehicles, once the stuff of science fiction, are now a reality on our roads. As we navigate this new frontier of transportation technology, one crucial aspect that cannot be overlooked is the legal frameworks that govern these self-driving cars. The development and deployment of autonomous vehicles have raised numerous legal questions and challenges that need to be addressed to ensure their safe and efficient operation. The rise of autonomous vehicles presents a unique set of challenges that require careful legal consideration. Unlike traditional vehicles, self-driving cars rely on complex algorithms, sensors, and artificial intelligence to navigate the roadways. This raises questions about liability, privacy, cybersecurity, and ethical decision-making, all of which need to be addressed through appropriate legal frameworks. Global legal tapestries. When it comes to legal frameworks for autonomous vehicles, there is a wide variation in approaches across different countries. For example, in the United States, states have taken the lead in regulating self-driving cars, leading to a patchwork of regulations that can be confusing for manufacturers and consumers alike. In contrast, countries like Germany and Japan have adopted a more centralized approach to regulation, with clear guidelines and standards set at the national level. One of the key differences in legal frameworks for autonomous vehicles is the level of detail and specificity in the regulations. Some countries have opted for broad principles-based regulations that provide flexibility for technological advancements, while others have opted for more prescriptive rules that may stifle innovation. Balancing the need for safety and accountability with the imperative for progress and development is an ongoing challenge for policymakers around the world. Developing uniform regulations for autonomous vehicles is no easy task. One of the biggest challenges is the pace of technological change, which can quickly outstrip the ability of regulators to keep up. Additionally, the interconnected nature of global supply chains and markets means that regulations in one country can have ripple effects across the world, further complicating the regulatory landscape. Another roadblock to creating effective regulations for self-driving cars is the sheer complexity of the technology involved. Autonomous vehicles rely on a wide array of sensors, software, and communication systems to operate, making it difficult to establish clear standards and guidelines that can be universally applied. Ensuring interoperability and compatibility between different systems is a key consideration for regulators. Government and governance. The role of government in developing and implementing legal frameworks for autonomous vehicles cannot be understated. Governmental bodies play a crucial role in framing regulations, enforcing compliance, and overseeing the development of self-driving car technology. In many cases, governments also have a responsibility to protect the interests of consumers, workers, and the general public when it comes to autonomous vehicles. Looking ahead, the future of legal frameworks for autonomous vehicles will likely see greater collaboration between governments, industry stakeholders, and civil society. As self-driving cars become more prevalent on our roads, the need for clear and effective regulations will only grow. Governments will need to adapt and evolve their legal frameworks to keep pace with technological advancements, while also addressing the ethical, social, and economic implications of autonomous vehicles. Sonclusion. In conclusion, the legal frameworks for autonomous vehicles are a complex and evolving field that requires careful consideration and collaboration. By understanding the global legal tapestries, regulatory roadblocks, and the role of government in shaping these frameworks, we can better prepare for the future of self-driving car technology.